So leave insert term exam 2015 question 5 part B. So you're given a cubic polynomial x cubed plus px squared plus qx plus r, and you're told you have a factor of it. Okay, so you're given the factor, so x squared plus ax minus 1, and you're asked to show that q is equal to minus into ar plus 1. So we're given the factor, so we know it divides in, leaving no remainder. So what do we multiply x squared by to give us x cubed? X by x squared is x cubed, x by ax is ax squared, and x by minus 1 is minus x. When we change the signs, there's going to be a minus, and there's going to be a plus. So they adding the two lines together, x cubed and minus x cubed cancel, and you're left with p minus a by x squared plus bracket q plus 1 by x, and then take down the or. What do you multiply x squared by to give you p minus a x squared? You multiply it by p minus a. P minus a by x squared is p minus a x squared. And p minus a by plus a ax is plus a into p minus a, and put the x on the outside, and minus bracket p minus a. So we draw the line and change the sign, so it becomes a minus, that becomes a minus, and that becomes a plus. So those two terms, when the terms are added together, they cancel. Now we know it divides in, leaving no remainder, so all the x terms will go to 0 and all the constants will go to 0. So I'm just going to write them down separately. So q plus 1 by x minus the other x term, which is minus a by p minus a by x, is equal to 0. And I have or plus p minus a is equal to 0. So I'm going to get rid of the x's. Q plus 1 minus a into p minus a is equal to 0. And over here I have or plus p minus a is equal to 0. Now if I go back up and check what I'm asked to show that q is equal to minus into AR plus 1. Now the only one of my two little equations that has a q in it is this one over here. And q is written in terms of a and or in what we need, and over here it's written in terms of a and p. So we need to find something to slot in for p. So p is equal to, from this one, is equal to a minus r. So moving back over here, q plus 1 minus a into, instead of p I'm putting in a minus or minus a is equal to 0. So we have the minus a and the plus a cancels, and we have q plus 1 minus by a minus is plus a or is equal to 0. And I'm asked to show, okay, so q is equal to minus a or minus 1, and just take out the minus into a or plus 1, and we have it proved.